Hello everyone, and today is lesson 23, and today is a little interesting. Today we're going to be looking at kind of events and custom events. Events are just something that a specific entity listens to, and then if it finds it, it will activate it when it's found. So with this, we've done a lot of them, like the button when a button is clicked, that event. But we could always just make our own custom events and not really have to deal with all the code that involves that. So, like for instance, we can add a button, right? And when we add a button, we could go into the code and say viewed code, and we could do a this dot button one dot click we can do the click. Well, hold on. Before we do the click, we have to make our own function. So what we would do is we would do a private void button click with object object sender and the system dot event args e. And what we would do is we could do button one dot text equals this is the, or we could say custom event. So that we could go back up here and say click plus equal event handler, and we would pass in button click. Oh, my bad. We want a new handler. We want a new event handler. I'm sorry. So with that's all we really need to make this custom event, and you could do this on any of them. So if we clicked it, boom, custom. So then we don't have to rely on actually clicking it. We can make our own and make it more dynamic, so when we need it to happen, we could happen at any point in time. So with that's really what a custom function or a custom event does. We could do these with mice and stuff, and we'll be going through mouse events soon. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this little custom events. And yeah, if you have any questions that you need me to go over, like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom, and I'll look at them and we'll go over them and see what we could do to understand more about it, and we can add more features to it. Okay, guys, thanks so much.